Hey y'all, it's Amy and Rachel with Just Be, and we've got a low impact HIIT interval workout for you. It's going to challenge balance and get your heart rate up.
Good morning.
Good morning. Alright guys, here we go. Just tapping your right foot forward and back. Spine is nice and strong in a long line here. Good. Now we're going to take it forward and a lunge. You can step forward, lunge forward, and back. Good. Just making sure your back knee drops straight down. Great control. Good. Adding the arms, they go up and down. This is where we're getting a little bit of heart rate in. Good. Now you're going to go on the next one. Just stay in the lunge and bend and arms up. Yeah. Good. Little dynamic movement here. You feel those quads burning. All right. We're going to go into a balance challenge now. Leg lifts up and arms sewed up and down. Make sure those abs are engaged. That standing glutes working. You look awesome. All right. Stepping back now. Just tapping in and out with that back leg. Good. Make sure those abdominals are drawing towards your spine here. Good. Now we're going to add the knees with the arms driving. So knee drive down. Good. It's like a little standing mini crunch. So think about your abdominals here. Beautiful. You got it. Good. Into that lunge again. Good. Knees bend, arms up. For 3, 2, 1, knee up, and balance challenge. Whoa. It is okay if you wobble over, put your foot down. That's what it's all about. Adding dynamic movement to balance. Looking great. All right, you're going to change and go with the other leg. Left foot forward and back. Good. Stepping forward in the lunge. Yeah, Rach getting back in the frame there. Beautiful. Good. And adding those arms up and down. It's amazing how much adding the arms can elevate the heart rate, the intensity. All right. Into your lunge, just up and down. 2, 4, 5, 6. All right, knee up for your balance. Beautiful. Core is engaged. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap back and 1. Tap in. Here's 4. Here's 5. Here's 6. Good, arms up and drive the knee. Exhale when that knee comes up. Good. All right. Here is your lunge. Arms up and down. Beautiful. You got it. Last balance challenge. Leg up. Here's 4. Here's 5. Last one, 6. Nice work. All right, onto your arms. You're going to come into a squat, hands up with your gloves on, and you're going to punch across the body. Yes, moving through your obliques. 4, 5, then we're going to do an undercut. Yes, undercut. Beautiful. Feeling the biceps and those abdominals going into your punching bag. Yes, and punch. Good. Awesome for the shoulders here. Abs are in. Good. And other side and speed bag. Yes. Gorgeous. Keep it going. And then we'll go back in your punches. Here we go. Across the body. Good. Onto your undercuts. Here we go. Undercuts. Yes. Traveling up and under. 5, 6. Punching back. Here we go. Yeah, spinning those wrists. Try not to hit your face. Nice. Sometimes the hair falls down. Other side. And punching back. You got it. Adding a deeper knee bend. Yes, a little bit more aggressive. Bend and punch. Bend and punch. That's it. Here comes your undercut. Yes, adding a little bit of energy, a little bit more cardio, and here's your speed bag. Go. It's just back and forth, and other side. Beautiful. All right, ready for your speed round? Here we go. Punch, 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 punch. You got it. Nice. Undercut, undercut, undercut. This is where we're getting that cardio and heart rate up. And speed bag. Feeling your shoulders. Beautiful. Looking strong. Other side. Yeah. We got one more round of this. Ready, go. Here we go. Punches and punch. Good. Keep the energy up. Undercut. It's fast, we know it, and speed bag. Good. Challenging that cardio. Other side for 4, 3, 2, 1, and nice. All right, Pilates side twist. Rotating for 3, 2, 1. Center. Trying to go deeper each rotation. Good. Twisting 1, little higher 2, 3. Good. Elbows bent. Same movement. 2, 3. Good. Rotate. Little higher, little higher. Working those obliques. Beautiful. Hands behind your head, and you're going to side bend from side to side. Think of your pelvis staying still, and your elbow reaching towards your knee for 3, 2, and 1. All right, straight legs, hinge forward, tap the ground, and squat. Good, making sure your back is straight as you hinge forward, actively strengthening and lengthening your hamstrings. Beautiful. Good, adding the arms up and down. Okay, making sure your back is straight when your legs are straight, squatting to come up. Beautiful. Adding intensity here. Good, and a little pulse. It's pulsing up and down. And arms are going to slowly float down. Squeezing your bum with every lift. Feeling those quads, arms back up. Good, hands at heart center. Beautiful, we're almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and you are done. Nice work, you guys. Thanks for joining us today for this low impact interval training. If you like this video, please hit the little bell above so we can notify you when videos come out each week. Please share with your friends. They need a little cardio to get just a little bit in every day. And hit the like button below, and we will see you next time.